Hello everyone, welcome to our video tutorial on further expansion of algebraic expression. So you have listened to our previous tutorial on expansion of algebraic expression. So this round it is further expansion, meaning the questions are slightly more complicated. Okay, it involves a bit more understanding. Okay, so before I begin to show you some examples, just a reminder, we still have to remember our product rule. Okay, meaning I'm referring to this table. Okay, it is very important. Okay, so let's proceed to do example number one. So instructions: expand and simplify the following. So we have 4x plus bracket 6x minus 5. Okay, so there are two parts in this expression. There are two parts in this question. Okay, the first part is just 4x. Second part is this positive bracket 6x minus 5. So previously I did mention if you have a number in front of a bracket, it means you have to multiply. But in this example, there is no number between this bracket and this positive sign here. There is no number. Okay, so in this case, we have to understand that the missing number, or rather the invisible number, is a 1. Okay, there is invisible 1 in front of this bracket. So the way to look at it is, this is 4x plus 1 multiplied by 6x minus 5. Okay, this is how we should understand and to do this question. So when we proceed to do, 4x will remain as 4x. There's nothing that we should do with this. So now we do the expansion for 1 multiplied by 6x and 1 multiplied by minus 5. So this is positive 1 multiplied by 6x. So positive and positive is a positive. So I put a positive. 1 times 6 is 6, followed by x here. Okay, next one is positive multiplied by negative. I get a negative. 1 times 5 is 5. Okay, so I've expanded my bracket, I've opened up my brackets, and this is what I get. So what do I need to do next? I need to simplify. So I can only look at 4x plus 6x. They are the like terms. They are the only like terms. Okay, so what happens is 4 plus 6 is 10. Then we have x here minus 5. Okay, so this is how we expand and simplify question number 1. Okay, let's look at number 2. Similar, 6x minus 2 bracket 3x minus 8. Okay, so here you see, in this case, in this example, it is much clearer that we have a number 2 to multiply by 3x minus 8. Okay, actually it's negative 2 multiplied by 3x minus 8. Let me just write this portion down. Okay, so this whole thing means negative 2 multiplied by 3x minus 8. Okay, this is the underlying meaning. Okay, so let's proceed to expand and simplify this. So 6x, so minus multiplied by positive, negative multiplied by positive is a negative. 2 times 3 is 6. Then we have an x here. Okay, next one, negative and negative gives me a positive. 2 times 8 is 16. Okay, so this is what we get. So lastly, we need to simplify, and let's look at our like terms. Okay, we only have one kind of like terms here, and then this one is just the number. So 6x minus 6x, oh, it becomes a 0. So we have a 0 plus 16. So essentially it becomes 16. Okay, this is how we do number 2. Quite straightforward, similar to question number 1. Okay, let's look at number 3. This round we have 5 bracket 4 plus 7y minus 12y. So this time round, the single term is at the back, is at the end. Okay, minus 12y is the only one here. This is the expansion. Okay, so I think you guys are capable of doing this, but let's do this together. So 5 times 4 is 20. This is our first answer. 5 times by positive 7y. Positive and positive is positive. 5 times 7 is 35. Then we have a y here. Then minus 12y. So finally our answer will be 20 plus 35 minus 12 equals to 23y. Okay, so that is question number 3, example number 3. Let's look at the last one. Okay, this involves two brackets. This is number 4. So we have 2 bracket 9 plus 2y minus 4 and 4x minus 3y. Okay, this is slightly more complicated. So let's look at this. This is 9x here. Okay, 9x plus 2y minus 4 bracket 4x minus 3y. Okay, so there are two groups, there are two portions. Okay, so let us expand each portion one by one. So 2 multiplied by 9x equals to 18x. Okay, 2 multiplied by 2y, positive 2y is a positive 4y. So this is my first part. My second part is negative 4 multiplied by positive 4x. So negative and positive is a negative. So I get a negative 16x here. Negative and negative is a positive. So it's a positive 12y. Okay, so in case you need to do a rearrangement, you can do so. So you have 18x minus 16x plus 4y plus 12y. Okay, so in the end, this is our first kind of terms, second kind of like terms here. So 18 minus 16 is 2x, 4 plus 12 is a 16y, so 2x plus 16y. So this is how we do the 4 examples here. Okay, slightly complicated but not so difficult. Okay, so as long as you remember our product rule and as long as you do the expansion properly one at a time, do not skip any steps, you should be able to do these kind of questions quite easily. Okay everyone, so understand this properly. You may go through the video again, and once you're done you can look at the worksheet and proceed to do the practice on further expansion of algebraic expressions. Okay, thank you. I will see you at our next tutorial.